Aloha mai kako and welcome. Welcome to our hula course here at Matawai Cultural Arts. I am the one and only Jason.
Nau mai, haere mai, hoki mai e te iwi ki te whare tapere a Matawai ko Brooke Williams tēnei i mihi atu nei kia puta katoa. Guys, welcome back.
Bula vinaka and welcome to another term in Matawai Fijian class. I'm your tutor Grace.
Maloi lele, maloi tau toi lava e ahoni, ko hoku ingoa ko Elaini.
Talofa lava, malo lava soifua maua malangi mama. Hello, good to see you again. Wahame oe.
Malolei, welcome back. I want to thank you for I'm back and I'm better.
Bula vinaka, let's welcome back to the Fijian class here in the Matawai studio.
Talofa lava everyone, moi moana here for your Siva Asi beginners.
Talofa lava and welcome back. Thank you for all the efforts put in to try and learn from our classes here in Matawai.